Here we have number 8. You're going to be naming the property that the statement illustrate. Here we have PQ. Line segment PQ is congruent to line segment ST. And we also know that line segment ST is congruent to line segment UV. Then the line segment PQ is congruent to segment UV. That looks like the transitive property because what is being removed is the middle step of line segment ST. The next one, angle F is congruent to angle F. The left side is equal to the right. That has to be the reflexive property. The third one, angle G is congruent to H, but then it flips. Angle H is congruent to G. That becomes the symmetrical property. Line segment DE is congruent to line segment DE. They're the same, therefore it has to be reflexive. Next, line segment XY is congruent to line segment UV. Then it flips. That would be the symmetrical property. Last one, angle L is congruent to angle M. Angle M is congruent to angle N. Therefore, angle L is congruent to angle N. So it looks like the angle M was removed in this train, so it becomes transitive property.